today we're gonna make granola bars.
Hi everyone! Now what you'll need is 2 cups of rolled oats, 3/4 cup pack of brown sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of raisins, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of honey, 1 egg beaten, 1/2 cup of oil, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now let's begin.
Step 1. In a large bowl, mix in the oats.
All right, go ahead. Good job.
Raisins and salt. Then mix in the eggs and cinnamon.
Good job. Good. Good job.
Step 2. Pour in brown sugar and flour. Then pour in honey, oil, and vanilla.
Pour in flour and brown sugar. So now I'm going to pour in the brown sugar, honey, oil, and vanilla. My brown sugar, honey, gotta love honey, oil, and vanilla.
Step 3. Mix well using your hands. Pack the mixture evenly into a pan. Step 4. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes.
And now I am going to mix all the ingredients in. I would mix this for at least 30 seconds. Now the last step is I'm going to pour all the mixture, all the oats, in the pan. Don't worry about if some of it doesn't look fully mixed in, because I'm going to mix it with my hands. And you want to make sure it is evenly spread around. So when it cooks evenly. So I'm going to use my hand. Don't worry about this, I washed my hands. But it's not like you're going to eat it. Now I'm done. Now I'm going to turn the oven on. Okay, now it's time to get the granola bars out of the oven. You see the delicious granola bars? Oh, it looks so yummy. So as you can see, my son is able to read and follow directions, which is another reason why it's extremely important for your child to be able to know how to read, because if your child does know how to read, they're able to follow directions and they can help you with other activities such as cooking. And the cool thing about cooking is that if your child does know how to read, they can get their reading done for the day just by reading the directions and helping you with the recipes.